Leilani Reyes with Cruising Yachts. Behind me is the 1993 Hunter Vision 36. Let me show you what she has to offer. This beautiful Hunter 36 is a fun boat to sail. She is designed for comfort and ease of handling with freestanding spar with a big main and a little jib, free of shrouds, backstays, and spreaders. The 36 jib is roller furling while not self-tacking. It has so little to overlap that it will be effortless to sheet. She offers a large cockpit equipped with auto-helm electronics, a folding lift table, cooler with a beverage holder, and an electric cabin top winch. It has a custom designed Dodger integrated with stainless steel handrails, a wide side deck, a traveler, a large tinted windows, anchor and anchor roller, a chain locker with electric windlass, her salon feels very spacious and bright. The dinette and galley is to port. The galley offers a double stainless steel sink, 2-burner stove with oven, and with plenty of storage. She has a comfortable sofa across the dinette, and the refrigerator and freezer is conveniently located at the aft center of the salon. The large windows in the salon brings natural light in, and you can see the mast very clearly. Moving forward, she has a comfortable cabin with hanging locker, a large opening hatch for fresh air and natural light. When you look back to aft, you'll see the galley to port through the louver window. Her dinette has a large table and can accommodate 4 to 6 people comfortably by turning the table horizontally. At the nav station, you have the electrical panel, VHF radio, and a chart table. Aft of the nav station, she has a large head, a sink with a Korean counter, and a shower. The main cabin is located aft. She offered a comfortable queen-size berth with plenty of storage. She has 6 portholes that brings in fresh air and natural light, a hanging locker, and a louver window for privacy. She is powered by 35 horsepower Yanmar engine. hope that you enjoyed watching the short walkthrough video of this beautiful 1993 Hunter Vision 36. If you have any questions about this vessel, give me a call. My number is 360-621-4682, and I look forward to hearing from you and hopefully to earning your business.